In this quick tutorial, we're going to be installing CapCut. Go ahead and navigate to capcut.com/tools/desktop-video-editor, or you can just simply go to capcut.com. I'll drop the link in the description. We've got a big download button here, and CapCut is completely for free. Once you get it, there's going to be a lot of features that you can unlock with the Pro version, but we can download it and get started completely for free. So go ahead and click that download button. Alright, it's going to immediately download a CapCut installer. I'm just going to simply download that to my downloads folder. Alright, so we can now see that this is downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and we want to double click on that downloaded file. So wherever you downloaded it, when you selected your downloads, go ahead and double click to open the installer. We are going to want to allow this to make changes to the PC. Don't worry about this. Go ahead and click yes, and now the installer is going to run. Alright, so once this is at 100%, we'll come back and show next steps. Once it reaches 100%, you're going to go ahead and select your language. We're going to select English and click save. Now this is just going to check whether or not your computer and graphics card can run CapCut smoothly. In this case, we can. Go ahead and click confirm, and here you go. It's going to update its privacy policy. If it has one, we can just go ahead and click got it. And the app immediately started. Now, when I uninstalled CapCut, and I show that, how to do that in a separate tutorial, I selected for it to save my projects. So you'll be able to see your projects if you uninstalled and reinstalled. And you can go ahead and sign in, join Pro, start creating a new project. We're going to be going through and creating a CapCut desktop tutorial series and playlist. So if you have any questions on CapCut, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. We're going to be making all types of short, simple tutorials.